In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your draft messages on Microsoft Outlook. Draft emails are messages that you started but did not send, and they are automatically saved so you can return to them anytime. This feature is especially helpful when you are composing important emails and need to pause, review, or continue later without losing your progress. By knowing where to find your drafts, you can easily manage unfinished messages and stay organized while working in Outlook. Whether you are using the desktop app or the web version, the process is designed to be straightforward, ensuring you can always pick up right where you left off without confusion or lost work. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer and make sure you are in the Mail view where your inbox and folders are visible. On the left-hand side panel, you will see a list of folders associated with your email account. Look carefully for the folder labeled Drafts. This is where Outlook stores all unsent messages. If you have multiple email accounts connected, make sure you select the correct account first so you can see the right Drafts folder. Once you locate it, click on it to display all saved draft emails in the middle pane. This is important because drafts are tied to each mailbox, so switching accounts can change what you see in the folder list. Now that you have opened the Drafts folder, you will see a list of emails that were not yet sent. Simply click on any draft message to open it. The email will appear in full editing mode, allowing you to continue writing, make changes, or review the content before sending it out. You can update the subject line, adjust the message body, or add attachments if needed. Once you are satisfied with your email, you can proceed to send it just like any other message. It is also a good habit to regularly check your drafts folder, especially if you often start emails and return to them later. This helps prevent important messages from being forgotten or left unfinished. Keeping your drafts organized ensures smoother communication and better email management overall, helping you avoid missing messages that were never fully sent. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.